Shown here is our new product, the Dowelmax depth gauge. Now there are three important factors to note here. First is the adjusting screw. The second is this window with the incremental settings from 5/8 to 1 inch. And the third thing is this little fine line here on these two surfaces at the lower section of the depth gauge. The first thing we do is set the setting. I'm going to set this to the 3/4 inch setting. Now if you're in any doubt, always go just minimally higher because that will take your drill deeper and avoid fouling. Now at this point in time we take the drill and we insert it. Now we rotate the drill until the trailing edge, not the leading edge, the trailing edge of the helix aligns with the fine line, and that is now our set position. At that point in time we take the drill collar and install it without changing the position of the drill, and we now get the Allen's screw aligned with the fine line. Now this will place the screw on a flat surface of the helix, which is essential. It won't move when you're drilling. The drill is now set for the 1.5 inch dowels.